Lexus raises the bar with the luxurious three-row SUV, TX. In the realm of luxury SUVs, Lexus has long been a frontrunner, setting the standard for elegance and comfort. However, their previous attempt with the RX-L fell short, leaving customers craving more space and practicality. But fear not, as Lexus has listened to feedback and delivered the all-new Lexus TX, a true three-row SUV that redefines luxury and versatility. Gone are the days of cramped third-row seats and compromised cargo space with the Lexus TX. Accommodating 7 adults comfortably while still leaving ample room for luggage is a breeze. Drawing inspiration from its acclaimed sibling, the Toyota Grand Highlander, the TX combines premium craftsmanship with exceptional functionality under the hood. The Lexus TX offers 3 distinct powertrain options to suit every driver's preference. From the refined turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine to the eco-conscious 2.4-liter hybrid variant and the formidable 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid, there's no shortage of power and efficiency. Performance-wise, the TX 350 trim impresses with its smooth power delivery and serene driving experience. While it may not win any drag races, its focus lies in comfort and refinement. The suspension glides effortlessly over rough terrain, ensuring a plush ride even on the longest journeys inside the cabin. Lexus continues to raise the bar with its impeccable attention to detail and luxurious appointments, plush seating, generous legroom, and ample cargo space make every journey a delight. Plus, with advanced features like the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, drivers can enjoy peace of mind knowing they're protected by the latest safety technology. Fuel efficiency is also a highlight of the Lexus TX, with the base model boasting impressive mileage figures that outshine its competitors. And for those seeking even greater efficiency, the plug-in hybrid variant offers up to 33 miles of electric driving, making it a compelling choice for eco-conscious drivers. In conclusion, the Lexus TX represents the pinnacle of luxury and versatility in the three-row SUV segment. With its refined performance, spacious interior, and advanced features, it's clear that Lexus has finally perfected the formula for the ultimate luxury SUV. Say hello to a new era of driving excellence with the Lexus TX.